I'm so glad we're here. I'm looking forward to the workshops.
More than 150 students, families, staff, and members of the community attended the annual Pride Town Hall hosted by MCPS at Walter Johnson High School this year. This event aims to build support and advocate for a stronger LGBTQIA school community where all students feel respected, heard, and represented.
This day is really important because it's about community. This is one opportunity for us to come together and create that affirming space that brings joy, that highlights our humanity, our collective humanity, that really sends the message that we are stronger when we celebrate our differences.
I think it's important that we have an event where everyone can come together, can learn, can show support as a group, and also spread that learning beyond the people that are here today.
Attendees also participated in multiple workshops to discuss important issues and to help build a stronger network of support and community.
We have terrific resources that are available to people. We want to let people know that and know that we're here to help them. I firmly believe as the state's attorney, if we don't protect everyone that lives in the community, we protect no one.
Students and families also received an inspirational message from Keynote speaker Gavin Grimm.
We are in a space that is communal. We are uplifting one another. We are sharing our experiences as LGBT people.
My final hope for the future is that at some point it no longer becomes necessary to come out, that there's no assumption of everyone being straight as a baseline, everyone being cisgender as a baseline. You're free to figure yourself out as a person.
This is about love, this is about respect, and building a community where we're all safe together.
I hope young people walk out of here knowing that not only is your voice important, but your voice sets the tone for the future that you will live in.